If you've come across a fake Google Meet error screenshot, or a suspicious Google Meet page telling you to download an update or fix a media error, stop right there. This is very important because what looks like a real meeting problem is often a scam page designed to trick you into installing malware. In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly what to do if you see this, why it happens, and how to protect yourself from falling for it. Before we get into it, make sure to like this video and subscribe for more quick tech safety tips, browser fixes, and helpful tutorials. That really helps the channel, and it lets you know when new videos go live. First, let's talk about what this fake error actually is. These scam pages often copy the look of Google Meet very closely. They may say your microphone failed, your camera is not working, or there's a media error that needs to be fixed immediately. Some of them even show a button that says Update, Download, or Repair. That's the red flag. Real Google Meet error messages do not ask you to download a random external file, and they definitely do not tell you to install an .exe update to fix a browser call. So if you open a page like this, the first thing you should do is close the tab immediately. Do not click any button on the page. Do not download anything. Do not follow any on-screen instructions that ask you to run a file. The goal of the scam is to make you act fast, before you have time to think. That's why these pages often use urgent language and a fake technical warning to pressure you into clicking. If you already clicked the download button, the next step is to stop and check your device right away. On Windows, look in your Downloads folder and delete anything suspicious. If a file has an OS extension, treat it as dangerous unless you know exactly where it came from. On a Mac, be careful with any installer or application file you did not expect. If you ran the file, disconnect from the internet if possible and scan your device with trusted security software as soon as you can. Now let's make this easier to remember. Here are the 3 simple rules. Number 1. Real Google Meet errors stay inside the browser and do not tell you to install outside software. Number 2. Any page claiming your camera or microphone failed and forcing a download is highly suspicious. Number 3. If a page asks you to update Chrome, install a fix, or run a repair file from inside a meeting screen, close it and verify the problem through the official Google Meet site yourself. If you want to confirm whether it's a real problem, open a new browser tab and go directly to meet.google.com. Sign in normally and test your camera and microphone from the real Google Meet interface. You can also check your browser permissions. Sometimes the issue is just that the browser is blocking camera or microphone access, and that can be fixed safely from your browser settings without downloading anything. If you're using Chrome, click the lock icon next to the website address and check camera and microphone permissions. Make sure the correct devices are selected. You can also go into your browser settings and clear site permissions if needed. But remember, none of these steps require a suspicious download from a random pop-up page. This type of scam is often called ClickFix, and it's a clever trick because it looks like a helpful troubleshooting screen. In reality, it can install data-stealing malware that takes passwords, browser data, and other sensitive information. That's why the safest move is always to close the page, verify the real site, and never trust a forced download prompt from a meeting error screen. If this video helped you spot a fake Google Meet error screenshot or avoid a dangerous download, please hit like and subscribe for more practical cybersecurity and troubleshooting tips. And share this with someone who uses Google Meet often, because one quick mistake can lead to a serious security problem. Thanks for watching, and stay safe online.